Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow. Aries, Knight of Wands, Tower and the Lovers. Yeah, there is love between you and your person and it's mutual. But I think there is a separation between you and your person. Maybe you decided to walk away. For some, you already did it. And it is a tower moment for you. And Knight of Wands. But maybe they are coming back again. And this person is very, very attracted to you. I think Aries, this person is in and out of your life because nights always come and go. For some, this could be a brand new person, depending upon your situation. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Hangman, the Moon, and Eight of Cups. I think there is no clarity in this relationship. Always you person in and out of your life. There is no stability, lot of illusions. For some, third party also involved. Family, friends, or other man, another woman could be the issue. So you're feeling stuck. You're fed up with that energy. So that's why you decided to walk away. Yes. Then present Ace of Cups, Three of Wands and Empress. So you still love them. You're still waiting on them. But you are taking your control back. You are no more dependent on you are no more dependent on them emotionally. Yes, even though you love your person a lot, but you are controlling your emotions. You know how to take charge of your emotions. And the Empress, you are taking your control back. That is very, very beautiful energy. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Then future, Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Wands and Three of Cups. Wow. So you have a total focus on your abundance, on your career. And you are very passionate towards your career and you are focused towards your career. And there is some new opportunities also will come in your career especially, and there is celebration especially in your work area. So in near future you will be in this energy, Nine of Pentacles. You will stand by your power and you are no more dependent on anyone, either financially or emotionally. This is very, very beautiful energy. You are taking control of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Aries, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles and Death and Rebirth. Yes, there is separation. For some, no contact. For some, in and out of. So your person want rebirth in this connection. They're still wanting you back because they are very attracted to you and they really want partnership with you. In past, there is no collaboration between you and your person. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship, but now they realize their mistake, but still they are juggling. Maybe for some, family could be the issue here or friends. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Aries. Five of Wands. Seven of Swords. Four of Wands. With Knight of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. And I think this person is rushing to communicate with you and they're thinking about stability. I think in past there is no stability in this connection. There is lot of drama is going right now, and this person may be sneaky, not trustworthy for some. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. Yes, they were thinking about commitment with you. Now they're thinking about reunion with you. But one thing, guys, Seven of Swords is a very sneaky energy. Maybe still they are playing games with you because you walked away. They still again coming back with communication, but maybe this person is not trustworthy, so be careful. So let's see their intentions. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Lot of fire energy. Yeah, Six of Cups. I think they are thinking about you 24/7. Yeah. So in past they did something to you. Maybe they ignored you, they ghosted you. Maybe they are in and out of your life, but now they realize your worth. So now they're thinking about you a lot. So they want happy family with you, Ten of Cups. And Five of Swords with Eight of Swords with Two of Pentacles. So right now your person feeling stuck. Still they're thinking about the fightings which had happened between you and your person. Yeah, lot of, maybe they backstabbed on you, they cheated on you in past. So they're feeling stuck. But they're thinking about you a lot and they want a happy family with you. But there are some trust issues. You are not trusting this person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Now they want to share their life with you, but yeah, they're still juggling. They're still at some crossroads. They have to make some decision. They still want rebirth in this connection because Ten of Swords energy. For some, maybe your person have ego problems also, very dominative in nature. Yes, you are also feeling stuck. And you also feeling very sad for the separation. Five of Cups with Eight of Swords. So you are unable to move on. For some, maybe you already move on from this person, but still sometimes you are feeling stuck when you are thinking about this person. Yeah, it is maybe a very short period of time, but at that time you are in very depressive energy, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And star, but you are healing from this energy, especially Eight of Swords and Five of Cups. You are healing. So let's see mutual. Knight of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back to offer stability. Okay. Magician. And you are manifesting success and into your life, especially in your career wise, you are manifesting success and financial abundance. Aries, but I think for some, maybe you are manifesting them again into your life, or they are manifesting. For some, there will be reconciliation. For some, it depends, because this person may be not trustworthy, because Seven of Swords energy. It depends, because everyone's situation is different from others. So let's see some messages from your person in through the channel. You are pure perfection. Will you forgive me? Second chance. Retreat. Long distance relationship. Lot of abundance is coming. So the messages are lot of abundance is coming. You are pure perfection. Will you forgive me? Second chance, retreat, and long distance relationship. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. And another message. What do you need to release? Maybe you are thinking about someone or something negatively. So you have to release all negative thoughts, because sometimes negative thoughts also create resistance in the connection. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.